Hello everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. Before starting the tutorial, let's subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and help for 10K. Let's watch what we will create today. Let's go started. Let's create new composition. Name is Organic Animation. Size of screen Full HD, frame rate 30, and duration 5 seconds. Click OK. Now let's create new solid. Name is Effect. Click OK. Find Effect Cell Pattern. Add on solid. Change disperse 1.50 and size 80. On beginning at evolution keyframe, drag slider of end and change evolution 5. Now open evolution options and enable this. Change cycle to 4. Nice. Now let's find Effect Hue Saturation. Add in solid. Enable Colorize. And change color on your look. I'm using red. And change saturation 45. Lightness -20. Nice. Now duplicate solid. And change size 40. Click on solid, change mode on multiply. Press T, and change opacity 50. Now duplicate this solid. And change size 25. Press T. Change opacity 30. Nice. Now let's pre-compose all layers. Name is Organic Effect. Click OK. Now drag your logo in timeline. On top. Change position and size on your look. And pre-compose. Name is Logo. Click OK. Now find Effect Fill. Add in Logo. Change color on white. And find Effect Fast Blur. Add in Logo. Change blurriness 10. Now create new adjustment layer. Find Effect CC Glass. And add an adjustment layer. Now open shading. And change Metal 0. Roughness 0.005. Now open light. Change light type on point light. And height 100. Nice. Now open surface. And change softness 13. Nice. Now click on logo, and press T, change opacity 70. Now find Effect Displacement Map. Add on logo. And change layer on Organic Effect Composition. Now let's find Effect CC Image Wipe. Add on logo. Now open Gradient. And enable Inverse Gradient. Change blur on 2. Change softness 13. Add keyframe on completion, drag slider here, and change completion to nice. Now create new adjustment layer. Add effect curves. And change curves like me. Nice. Now let's create mask. And change add-on subtract. Open mask settings, and change feather on your look. Now click on logo and press U. Click right button on second keyframe, and make it easy. Nice. Now create new camera. Drag slider event. Add keyframes on this settings. Drag slider of beginning. Click on this tool. And change camera position. For seeing, make this layers 3D. Change angle on your look. Nice. And for good look, click on logo. And change layer on organic effect. Nice. My friends, this is my official YouTube channel. If you liked my videos or my channel, please subscribe for support me. Click on bell for not miss my new videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials, and put like or dislike on video. Bye.